Along with the Corolla, Prius, RAV4, Venza, Highlander, Sequoia, and Sienna, the Camry is one of IDHT Toyota models to have a hybrid drivetrain. The Camry Hybrid is a good choice in the midsize hybrid sedan sector because to its excellent fuel economy. A new nightshade edition with blacked-out headlights and taillights, 19-inch bronze alloys, and a NW reservoir blue paint option will be available for the Toyota Camry Hybrid in 2023. Typically, mid-size hybrid sedans excel in both comfort and efficiency. The Camry Hybrid is also not an exception. The Toyota sedan has excellent fuel efficiency, averaging over 50 miles per gallon and having a range of more than 600 miles. Additionally, it boasts a roomy cabin and a smooth ride that smooths out road imperfections so that passengers aren't bothered. Though the pedal can sometimes seem a little hard, the brakes are quick and responsive. Despite the Toyota's strengths, competitors provide more in some areas. The Honda Accord Hybrid has a buttery smooth ride and is more fun to drive. This trend is anticipated to continue with the next 11th generation vehicle. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid is more agile as well as featuring eye-catching technology. However, the Camry Hybrid deserves praise for its sensible and approachable touchscreen interface. This is undoubtedly the best Camry model available, offering superior fuel efficiency and acceleration compared to the ordinary four-cylinder non-hybrid Camry. Having said that, we advise testing out Honda or Hyundai competitors before signing the contract. The Nightshade edition of the Camry lessens some of its ubiquity. The Nightshade edition, which comes with a gas or hybrid engine, has a blacked-out grille, rear spoiler, mirror covers, and external badging. It's brand new for 2023 and features stylish yet angular 19-inch bronze alloys in addition to Headley GHTS and taillights that are both black. Midnight Black, White, and Reservoir Blue are the three exterior paint choices that customers can select from. It receives a sport-tuned suspension as well because it is based off the SE grade. Once more, the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and hybrid system in the Toyota Camry Hybrid produce 208 horsepower in total. The front wheels receive power via a CVT automatic transmission. In our tests, the 2021 Camry XSE Hybrid reached 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds, which is considerably longer than a 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid's 6.7 seconds time. There are several of common safety features. These include automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assistance, a pre-collision system with pedestrian recognition and junction support, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with pedestrian detection, and steering assistance. 10 airbags are a standard feature on all Camry models. The Toyota Camry Hybrid 2023 comes with a 7.0-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 6-speaker audio system as standard equipment. Customers have the option of upgrading to a 9.0-inch touchscreen and a 9-speaker audio setup. There is also a 10-inch head-up display available. According to Toyota, the Camry Hybrid's base variant can score 51 53 miles per gallon city highway,